Have you noticed how everything on Instagram is starting to look the same? Glossy, overly edited, or obviously AI generated? That polished feed look isn't what performs anymore. Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with DeloSync, where we make the web work for you. And today we're talking about authenticity on Instagram and why it matters now more than ever for local businesses.
That's right, Donna. I saw that Merriam-Webster named slop the 2025 word of the year. And that feels pretty accurate for all what we're seeing on social media.
It does. There's a flood of AI generated content out of there, and a lot of it is low effort, generic, or just plain off. People are tired of it, and Instagram knows that too. Their head, Adam Mosseri, recently said that curated, perfect content is no longer the goal. What people want is real content from real people.
So over-edited photos, AI-generated images, and scripted captions aren't helping you stand out?
Not really. If you want to be seen, your content needs to feel human and honest. If it looks like everything else in the feed, people are going to scroll right past it.
That's good news for local businesses. You don't need to be a professional influencer to show up.
Exactly. Behind the scene posts, real customer stories, what a day in your business looks like, those things are what people connect with. You don't need a ring light and a script. You just need to be yourself and communicate what your business brand is all about.
And Instagram is starting to reflect that shift. They're prioritizing creators and small businesses who share useful, engaging, authentic content. It's not about a polish, it's about the presence.
Now, a lot of people do ask us, though, is it okay to use AI when creating your content? And the answer is yes, of course. It can save time and help you get your marketing done. But you have to start with your voice, your audience, and your brand values. If you just ask AI to make a post without the right context, you'll likely end up with slop.
So the AI tools can help, but the substance has to come from you.
That's right. Use AI to support your ideas or refine your writing, but don't let it replace your perspective. The results should still sound like you and reflect what your business really stands for.
The good news is this shift is in your favor. You don't need to keep up with viral trends or chase perfection. You just need to show up and speak to the people you serve.
Authenticity isn't a trend, it's what works. And the platforms are finally starting to reflect that. Let us know in the comments below, what kinds of real content are you seeing or sharing lately?
And that's it for today's episode. You can find links and more resources at delosync.com/episode 434. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.
Thanks for listening to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast. If you're ready to simplify your marketing and build reliable growth for your business, visit us at delosync.com to learn more.